Hey guys, how's it going? How to loan in Shopee. Shopee offers a variety of financial services, including loans through Shopee Pay Later or affiliated lending partners. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to avail of a loan on Shopee. So first, update your Shopee app to the latest version. Register and verify your account and access the Shopee Pay Later. Open the Shopee app and tap the Shopee Pay or Shopee Pay Later from the home page. And if the Shopee Pay Later is available in your region, you will see it listed as an option, and apply for Shopee Pay Later, and then follow the prompts to apply. You may need to provide additional info and verify your identity and wait for approval, and this process can take a few minutes to few days. And then check your credit limit. Once approved, Shopee Pay Later will show you your available credit limit, and then you can use Shopee Pay Later for purchases when shopping on Shopee. Select Shopee Pay Later as your payment method at checkout, and you can choose to pay in installments depending on the options available. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.